As a graduate student at Notre Dame, we know you will change the world. As you chart your path and become an expert in your field, you'll keep coming back to the core question: what matters to you? Did you know that there are $65 billion of funding available via competitive grants and fellowships to support your scholarly endeavors? That's $65 billion just waiting for you. But how do you access that funding? Over the past 4 years, master's and PhD students at Notre Dame have won $23.2 million to support their academic projects. When they work with Notre Dame's Office of Grants and Fellowships, they have a 60% success rate. What that means is if you're in a master's or PhD program in the humanities, STEM, or the social sciences, grants and fellowships will help you get your share of that $65 billion. Grants and fellowships will work with you if you're a U.S. citizen, a permanent resident, or an international student. There are grants out there for everyone. The most important aspect of grant writing is being able to demonstrate a clear, step by step plan of your project from start to finish. In it, you will gain practical advice on how to construct a realistic research and/or writing timeline, whether that is for dissertation completion or a new postdoc project. So, what could you apply for? Grants and fellowships can help you win awards for research and study, foreign language and cultural immersion, and travel and professional opportunities all over the world. Depending on your interests, you might win an award to work on swarm satellites with NASA, do archival library research in Madrid, or learn a language critical to national security in Africa. There are awards for research in every field and area of specialization. The Office of Grants and Fellowships will work with you to identify sources of funding from $500 to $50,000 or more to suit your background and goals. Next, we'll help you develop a comprehensive plan for applying. As you prepare written statements for the award, we'll provide in-depth draft reviews to make them as good as they can possibly be. And we'll take the guesswork out of writing by providing online tutorials and sample essays of past winners. This is how Notre Dame students achieve that 60% success rate. Even before you've won the award, the snowball starts to roll, and as it rolls, it grows. Applicants report gaining confidence in their writing, in narrowing their research topics, in explaining their work to others, and in writing cover letters and participating in job interviews. Once you've received the award, you'll suddenly have the freedom to follow your dream and do the thing you're truly passionate about. As you do this, you'll be developing your professional skills, expanding your network, learning cultural competency, and so much more. You'll also be improving your resume for life because once you've won a fellowship, it'll be on your CV forever. This too will have a snowball effect on opportunities in the future because prospective employers and colleagues will see that your work has been peer reviewed and deemed to be valuable and significant. The ball will keep rolling because winning one award often leads to winning another and another and another. So, with all the money that's available, with all the types of funding in study, research, and professional development, with all the services that grants and fellowships offers, and with the snowball effect leading to even more success, the moral of the story is you should definitely make some time to meet with grants and fellowships. And the best time to make an appointment is now. You can make an appointment by emailing us at gradgrants@nd.edu. To view grant writing workshops, please visit the Graduate School's Professional Development Calendar. We look forward to working with you.